Your planner shows the currently selected week along with any lessons and events planned. You can view your planner by clicking My Planner at the top of the screen or by clicking My Planner at the top of the Manage and Assign screen. Your planner shows the currently selected week along with any lessons and events planned. To view a different week, click the arrow buttons or click the calendar icon to select a specific week. Select a different class to see its planner. To add a new event, click the Add Event button. On the Add Event pop-up, add the name of the event and select the dates if necessary. If you select the Limit to this class checkbox, the event will only appear on the planner for this class. If this checkbox is clear, the event will appear on all your existing class planners. Click the Save button to add the event to the planner. To mark a day on your planner as a non-teaching day, click the Add Event button. On the Add Event pop-up, add the name of the event and select the dates if necessary. Select the Mark as Non-Teaching Day checkbox and click the Save button. The event appears on your planner with the Non-Teaching Day icon. Lesson plans are added to your planner from the Lesson Plans page by clicking the Add to My Planner button. Select a class and a start date. The predetermined duration date determines if the lesson appears on more than one day of the planner. Click the OK button. View any lesson on the planner by clicking the Tools menu next to the lesson name and clicking View this lesson. You can move the date that a lesson appears on your planner by selecting Reschedule this lesson from the Tools menu, or remove it by clicking Remove this lesson from the planner. To edit an event, click the arrow next to the Events Tools menu and click Edit this event. Make changes to the event information on the pop-up and click the Save button. To remove an event, click the arrow next to the Events Tools menu and click Remove this event. Click the OK button to verify removing the event. This concludes our guide to My Planner. Be sure to view other tutorials for more information about the Manage and Assign screen.